Alright, let me change the stream title to bot diff acceleration structure. I am so mad. Spent 20 minutes fighting my camera to get it to work and fighting my audio to get it to work, fighting OBS to get it to work, when everything used to work 2 weeks ago. I was supposed to do something fun and exciting today. I'm just mad now. And it's every day too. It's every day that I have to fight it. Alright. Calm down. Just make the thing. Should I call it BVH? I think that's an okay thing to call it because that's what it is. How I used to be. I was so lost before you came to me. You changed my life, made everything turn out right. Your love is security, yeah. Thank you, baby, for making me free. Yeah. Okay, let's add this to the thingy. Let's make a branch. Oh yeah, the MP4 thing is not gonna work, is it? Why is it 3-stage pause? Alright, get out of here. BVH. Okay. Pub struct BVH. Life without you would be so hard to bear. How does this work? L. Yeah, leave content. Oh, so near. Being with you is like a dream come true. Won't ever wake up, baby. It feels so good now. Your love, yeah, makes me a winner. I need to, baby. I could do literally like U size. And it's like indexed into bot file. Should I just straight up stuff this into the bot itself? So much fun. Yeah, it'll. You by my side. Cause then it'll work well with streaming. I don't have to like reach outside. I'm trying everything that can be tried. Oops. Okay, I still got it. All right, get out of here. We go to bot. Complete bot. BVH. Oh, if that's a const, then I can't split it dynamically. Ah. Crap. Okay, so what is this? This is a event slice. Ops range 2. Oh, range. There you go. And then this is a VBH node of event slice. Oh my god! And then that does actually. Well, I mean, it's already traversing the entire time. Maybe not. Maybe I do go and make it on its own thing, because it's only used for special stuff. Struct. Okay, so then now we need the WASM bind gen WASM. Wow. Wow. Oh no, we don't. Okay. Okay. Impl BVH public function new reference to a bot. So now I need to like find special sauce. Bot.timelines dot output events dot array windows is brand new Rust sauce, but chunks, array chunks will be better, but also I don't want that. I need to generate slices up to a certain length. Const slice max slice len, let's say 16 or something. Like, that's tiny, to be honest. It requires new algorithm. I forgot. You have to do the growing bubble algorithm. It's an iterator. I'm using a closure. Maybe I can refactor the BVH stuff. That would be cool. That would be cool. Okay, so let me write down what's going on. Iterate over the event timeline and generate and capture. I don't know. Slices of output events. Contiguous. create an access line bounding box for each slice, and then generate a BBH. That's it. Okay, so how do I, let me just like for output event and output events dot frick. Output event dot tick info. Touching. Okay, really the only thing I need to do is split it if there is a simultaneous event. Where the position is different. Golly, so you can't actually know. I guess I could split it for anything like that, and that'd be okay. Equal spacing, divide by 16, div seal. Ooh, what if, okay. So I can't have, okay. No, it's gonna need to be general. Okay, so it's okay to have only one event, because it's just like a starting point. Yeah, so I'll need to prove that the actual closest point has been traversed. It's going to be very similar to the ray tracing algorithm. I want to turn it into an iterator. I'm a little bit upset that I can't detect the teleport. I just can't directly detect the teleport. That's not really in the mood. It's a nice riff. Tick info. It'd be so nice if I could just stuff another bit into the tick info and say this is a teleport. So pretty much here what I'm going for, I guess I can use array windows of length 2 and say we got them array windows up in here. So we're kind of gonna filter basically. Filter fine. I have to mark ahead, then split evenly-ish. I mean, I don't have to. If it has 1 in it, is that bad? Yes. Yes, it can't have 1 in it. It can't have 1 in it. Because then the size of the node is 0. And you cannot be inside the node. So it can never, well maybe it gets considered. Really, what we only care about leaves. I could also just ignore teleports and just have a big giant chungus of a BVH. I remember an algorithm I thought up. What was that for? It would have a double look ahead and check everything. Oh, that was for, right, I remember that was for trying to minimize network size. Right, it was approximating the path with parabolas, and the perfect algorithm I thought up required a degree 8 polynomial solve. But it would have been good. Okay, so there's a rule. I need more than one event in the node. They must not be in the same position. They should probably be. Well, hold on. Actually, well, maybe that's not a rule. Actually, maybe it's just at least one node. Because I am not doing a contain test. I'm doing a sphere growth collide test. You have a starting point, and then you grow a sphere starting there, and you find the time of intersection as the sphere grows. If it's growing at 1 unit per second, you traverse the BVH in the order that the sphere touches the BVH leaves, and you're testing to see which thing is the closest. And then once you, how do you know when you're done? It would be when when the next closest BVH is farther than the closest point that you've tested so far. Yeah. So you have like your current best, and then the next BVH you're gonna test. Yeah. So it's gonna be exactly like the ray tracing algorithm. I'm gonna heat this a little bit. But like, okay, so splitting, I actually don't need more than one. So it'd still be useful to like split by teleport. I've never seen this algorithm used anywhere. It's a cool algorithm. By this algorithm, I mean the like sphere expanding thing I described. Okay. So what if there's 0? Then it still works. Okay. Okay, so we have our let BVH nodes is equal to vec new bing bing bong, and then if event 0 dot time equals event 1 dot time and event 0 dot position event dot position does not equal 0 dot event dot position. It's not gonna let me do this, is it? No. Probably I should have done that. Find discontinuity. And create an artificial split point. Well, hold on. I'm doing like while let find. And then when the iterator is over, I'm chilling. Yeah. Yeah. So this is a let my. Like this. And then bing dot bong. Dot filter. So I don't know. We'll see. Enumerate filter. Like this. I think I go like this. These sides. So true. so true. So we actually just don't care. So position does not equal position. Okay, and then we go like while let some split index and do not care is equal to it dot find next. Oh, this is a normal while loop or for loop for split index in it. I believe we want to do this. No, we don't. We don't care. Okay, and then hello split index. So this is the event 0 index. So that means that the next one gonna be good. It's gonna be the next one. Semicolon. Okay, fair. I just like don't want to maintain an entire picture library here. Round the corner down the block, there's a brand new picture show. I ain't got no cash, but I still want. Like it's gonna do this anyways. And I'm gonna go. 'Cause I got a hustle going. I'm the big man on the street. Gonna make it to the top. Just you wait and see. So if the time is equal and oops. So the times have to be equal and the positions have to be not equal. I can say not and. That's one knot instead of 3 knots. Okay, so then now we have the split index. Indeed, sir. Indeed, sir. Oof. We want event 1 because that's like the range situation. It is always +1. Okay. Let last index equals 0. Let index equals split index plus 1. We want to use the index of event 1. So last index is 0. We have to do it, the difference, and then divide by div seal frick. Len equals index minus last index. Indeed, sir. And then let count equals len div seal. Yes. And then max dinguses. Okay, so len is guaranteed to be 1. No, it should be guaranteed. So then div seal, and this is not 0. Oh, they can optimize it too. That's right, because it's a constant. Let's go, dividing by a constant. So this is always at least 1. Count. Count. Do I care? One. So then I can do. Nodes extend. What am I doing? Like, no. Like that. Map. Index plus. Oh. Deuce. -1 because the last one might be a different length. We're like, okay, I guess I should just explain it. So, let's say we have this, split this into groups of 4. It goes like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 7, 8, 9, like that. So, len equals 10, count equals 3, node len equals 4. Last index equals 0, split index equals 9. and x equals 10. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so what's this? This is not quite right. Do we want I plus 1? Yeah. Yeah, and then oh. Oh crap. Oh crap. Crap. Whoa, I need to build the axis align bounding box. God damn. Two arguments. Really? Good. Well, I do have default, I guess. That's just easier. I forget how do you do this. Generate BVH. Oh, easy. Okay. Alright, screw it. Let's just make it a for loop. It'll be easier to it'll be more legible. This BVH hello BVH nodes push. Oh, actually we can reserve here. Indeed, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, I could yoink that, couldn't I? But it's not copy. That freaking sucks, man. God, that sucks. So, I mean... something like that. Output events. Slice. Event slice 0. Like, this would be great if this was copied, but it ain't. It ain't. Because now it's moved, and then it's gonna be like, excuse me, sir, you moved this? I love infallible algorithms. Here we go. Okay. Looking okay so far. I can just fix it later. Okay, so the ow. I guess I could go this, and then I don't need the .0, and then I can build this. For events, so for it's a little bit zoobity because it's like it's iterating the list twice. It's like it goes like
and I just wanna love you morning, noon, and night.
okay.
I gotta speak to for your love.
AABB.grow. Yes. Point A. We have a float position. I forget. Graphics start offset glam. So AABB would probably be pretty annoying to make it fully generic across different math. That's pain. Where? Okay, so there's some converts from float here. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, that's not bad. Jeez. Unwrap. Okay, let's go. Okay. What's up? Yeah, no, that's right. This is a function. This is a function. I have to run this code again. And I have to run this code again. Do I just slap it into closures? I guess. Push. It's gonna be mud. Push what? Push. Freaking non-continuous. Push. Slices, let's say, is equal to closure index. And then all of that goes here. And then this call like this. Zoink, zoink. And then the last one goes like something.len. Output events .len is the last one. Yay! And then explicit type. Why? Why? Both of those are U-size, my good fellow. Okay, so then in here, inside the closure, we define another closure. That's side. Let push slice. Slice. And that is like this. Zoink. Indeed. So now this is the slice. Zoink. And then slice. And then at the very end, we go, hi, I'm the last slice. Count -1 up to len. Len? Index. Index. And that's it. That's the whole algorithm. What's that? How it's literally. Okay, this has to be a troll. Okay. So that's the splitting algorithm. Oh, this should go right down here for sure. Yeah. Is it gonna troll me that whole time? Roblox bot player lib. Well, yeah, lib. It's not an inferred type. It's defined by this. Oh. 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 And the IDE knows what type it is as well. Is that a freaking Rust bug? What? Okay, the code is confusing, but oh well. Okay, so we now have a BVH of slices of the output events. If I say this, does it like it? It does not. That is irritating and annoying. I don't understand how it can. Is it because this is? Okay, what if I do like that? Okay, so that's trolling me then. Okay. Yeah, moved value, that's what I thought. Mutable more than one time. Unlucky. Okay. Okay. Forgot to do this. Yeah. Okay. Mutt it. Okay, it just gets immediately consumed. Okay. Nice. Yay! Okay. Neat. I wrote it. That's cool. That's cool. then okay, I should note why this is happening. Push constant, push fixed size groups. Oh, what if it's 0? What if it divides? Oh, -1. I did -1. Push last group, which may be shorter. Oh, look at that. I'm stupid. Nice one. I almost died instantly. Okay. Good thing I started writing comments there. I was like, I need some comments. Okay. Okay, so we have it. That was not that hard. I was able to write it exactly like I imagined. Now I need to find. Uh-oh. Problem. I don't want to require the bot for the test. Well, let me write the test. So, public function get closest point. How do I word this? Closest point to point. Closest output event to test point is very precise. Closest output event to test point is like very exact, but sucky. I could say, you know, we have, yeah, okay, let's do a vector 3 because that's what you have. Basically, okay, so this is just a spatial index using axis-aligned bounding boxes. But I do need to convert the point to use the algorithm. It's a little bit sucky. It would be cool to make this junior, right? It's just supposed to be serialization. Stuffing my goober types in wouldn't make sense. Okay, so it returns option, I guess, of your size. Just the event index. It's just annoying. Like if I already made an entire freaking tree thing, but I guess you're always gonna need the bot. Because like you're gonna check the timelines of the bot and stuff. Okay, so it's fine. It's fine. So we can actually do reference to the output event itself. And I actually need to annotate the lifetimes, I believe. Expected. Okay, so I believe it implicitly takes the self lifetime. Should I also return? It doesn't actually care. I forgot. The closest point, you could totally make it velocity. I mean, I guess you can use velocity. Does it always point to the next position? Why not? Parabola. Okay, so the points form a curve. Damn. Bruh. Ah! Okay, so we have points. And then we have, I guess we can, and it does something. And then you have a test point, and you're trying to find the closest point. And the closest point is not always one of the nodes. It can be between them, and that is important for good things. Making so like, okay. Oh, hello, Star Swirl. In Roblox. Okay, there is an update to make it stop crashing. Nice, love to see it. So that explanation is complete. In Roblox. Can I make the game small enough to not lag? Oh my god. Wait, it's not lagging? Okay, now it's lagging. Okay, I can actually play the game on stream. 94% GPU usage. Wow, okay. I can actually do things with my computer. How awesome is that? It's so nice to be able to do things with the computer. Will we ever get low gravity back? I'm not working on it. I think it's a decent style to add to the game, but one of the prerequisites is that the maps need to specify what kind of boosters they have, because the boosters, actually this map has boosters, don't it? Ready, Fazbear, become. Oh. Yeah, so that booster goes up. What? So in low gravity, what should it do? Should you just go and like smack into the ceiling? Well, the booster, the intent of the booster, how hard can I go on this? The intent of that booster is to boost you to a specific height. Ah, okay, so half the screen is as much as I can go. That's way better than before. Half the booster. Oh no, no. Oh, it caught up. Insane. Half the booster. Why am I saying half the booster? The intent of the booster is to boost you up to a specific height, but the map cannot express that. There's multiple types of boosters. There's like, I want to boost you like horizontally, linearly a certain amount. I want to set your velocity. That's a different part though. I want to boost you to a specific height. But then you could also define it in some other way. What if the booster is supposed to give you a specific air time? So like you're supposed to cross a gap. So it boosts you and you need to stay in the air for 1.4 seconds. Otherwise you won't make the jump. If there's like a high gravity style or something, then you'll like undershoot the jump. If there's a low gravity style, you'll overshoot the jump. Unless the booster can specify from the map, I'm a booster that's aiming for 1.4 seconds of airtime. Or I'm a booster that's aiming for plus 30 units of height. I can't have these invariants between the different styles when the gravity changes. So the Strafe client actually does plan for that, and it has these properties on the boosters. But the Roblox game does not have that. Probably I would need to switch to attributes to make it work. Running overloaded? Why is it suddenly overloaded? Well, what is F? Alright, so that's why low gravity isn't a style in B-Hop. I think it'd be cool, but the maps are not expressive enough to make the invariants work. Okay, so diff. This is what I'm making today. So you can see it shows. Can I jump? No. Okay, so it like. So this is the difference in time to the world record. We're watching the world record. So the difference is like 0. And this is the difference in speed. So if I load my time, I can't because it's not real. If we spectate a non-world record time, then you can see that there is a time difference between this and the world record. The Roblox game just kind of looks around randomly and guesses it doesn't guess. It just looks around randomly to see if it can find a point on the world record bot timeline that's near your current spectate position of the run that's going on, and it finds the closest point approximately just by like frantically searching. But this is actually well defined. I can actually find the closest point. But the problem is, in Lua, you can't like write data structures that are fast. So it's just not, it's like algorithmically unsound. But in Rust, I can write this BVH data structure to quickly locate the true closest point. So I've written the code to generate the BVH, and now I need to traverse the BVH with a new algorithm that uses an expanding sphere technique. Because like I'm trying to find the closest leaf in the trying to find the closest BVH content that trying to find the closest BVH content to a specific test point. And so if I start there and start expanding my search, eventually I will find the closest point. Surely it's not slow. I mean, that should be as fast as you can get. It is expanding like a volume. I wonder what the worst case computational complexity is for that. I bet it depends on how good your BVH is. And you can like make a BVH bad enough to actually worsen the computational complexity. That would be my intuition on the problem. And probably my BVH is bad, but oh well. It's still probably gonna be loggy. All right. Well, I'm excited that I can run Roblox. That's pretty neat. And the stream doesn't mega lag. Okay, so that means that the return value of this is a bit something else. Actually, it could be an enum, because like either one point is the closest point, or it's on the segment between 2 points, or it doesn't exist. That's because it's empty. That's also an option. Like the notes here in the song. So it's time. I really only need to tell you the time on the bot. Okay, so yeah. Closest time to point. find the timestamp, the exact timestamp on the bot timeline that is closest to the given point. No way. So this is not going to be a big ol' reference. We can actually just say, hey man, I am me. What is this? Clone copy. Let's just smash it through. Be easier that way. I'm returning a value. It is something else. Bot. Physics time. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. Right. Physics time? Right. Okay. 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 Okay, so now I have to actually write the algorithm. Oh, I'm gonna need to do this. Zoink. I'm gonna need to zoink these. It's zoink. BVH. Oh boy. So sample ray. I would prefer an iterator. I probably thought of an iterator when I wrote this, but I couldn't do it for some reason. Option sample ray. It needs to stop. It stops at some point. Populate nodes. Yeah. Yeah. So it's literally the exact same algorithm, but the time calculation. This calculation is different. Oh no, Papa. Oh. Interesting. Populate nodes always uses to intersect the ABBB, but this one. Ray. Oh. Ray. Where? Who? What? F. So we have F. Ray. Ray. Wait. Ray. Wait. Wait, what? Wait, what? F. Oh. F. Ray. Oh. 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 Okay. Yeah, so I can generalize it. What is that? This is like the start point. So the algorithm changes when F. Can I do better? F. Yeah, I can make the F implicit, right? Yeah. So we have two functions. Yeah. So I'm gonna need to like. I'm gonna like name them better here. T is time. When does it Can I make it into an iterator? No, because it has to like react to its own like iter outputs. Like the result of testing on that output has to end the algorithm and determine when you've found it. Okay, so sample array is good, but we want to like find soonest something something something. All right, let's get going. So indeed. So sample array, that's cool. It's more like it's kind of like traverse BVH. Let's see if I can just say traverse BVH with an arbitrary function. Okay, so it, sure, whatever. Okay, F is actually sample, and then there's another function. So start time, time limit. Ray is not real. That can be provided in the sample function. Start point is PV3. Really? I don't have PV3, but I have like AABB and stuff. For real? I never mention it at any point. Huh. Whatever. Okay, so start point, start time, time limit, sample, and there's one more function called node, something node. Whoa, wait, T is ORed. Oh wow, that's cool. This is kind of dumb, but indeed, sir. Intersect time. Yeah, so this returns this crap. Into growing boy, growing sphere. What is the time of intersection? It's gonna be a freaking square root. This is linear. This is sucky. Do I compare ratios? So I do compare ratios here, huh? L. Right.
It's getting late. Turn the lights down low. Don't get mixed up and say you have to go. The night is
So the function names are bad.
that comes from you, but it's alright if it's not tonight. The music's blues, but I'm far from there. Oh, I need you, girl. I can't hold back. I can't hold back on this love. The sweet smell of you, that French perfume, it's blowing my mind, but it's alright.
Okay, so this is like sample leaf, sample branch. So I'm already doing like T-ORD instruction, collect instruction. I wonder if I can make it just T-ORD. That would be nice. T-ORD would be nice. There's a reason that I can't. I'm doing time into sample. This is my function. Why wouldn't I just do it ahead of time? Start time, time limit. Like I literally can just do that ahead of time. Let's try it. Let's see if I can just not. Is this the same? Yeah. That would be really nice if I could just not. Indeed, less than ratio. I implemented comparison with stupid idiot stuff, right? Partial eq ratio. Partial ORD. I'm using this, aren't I? Yeah, I do like max by ratio, partial comp ratio. Like, dude, just it's ORD, less than ratio, it's less than. Oh dear. Time, it's less than. Right? Let's say T. Okay. Sample ord is not satisfied. Who? What? What? I don't understand. Sample. Why is it trying to do sample ord? Sample is not ord. Sample's a goddamn function. What are you talking about? Oh, am I being stupid here? Start point. Okay, yes, I am being stupid. Okay. Yes, I see. Okay. Same problem. There we go. So why is the rest of the code base not crying? Okay, so I'm gonna rename these functions. This is sample leaf. And this is sample branch. I said and then type something else. Sample. What about intersect? So traverse, we're doing something. So let's try intersect. It's a little bit long-winded, but well, now I have the exact same function name, but it's okay. Surely this works. Surely I can just convert ahead, right? Okay, what I don't understand is why the rest of the code doesn't break down and cry. It's not using it! Oh, I forgot! It's not using this code. Okay. T. Okay, let's. Well, okay. Well. Oh. I mean, I believe in this code. As long as the OR method works. Like it's just calling it, right? Ratio ORed. It's just the old comp. Oh boy. Yeah. GTGE. What about max min clam? Like it's not super crazy, I think. Hey, okay, that's nice. Traverse, intersect, leaf, intersect the ABB. So you have a starting point, and then right. No. This I think this will work. It's very arbitrary. BVH, arbitrary traversal. Let's see how this goes. Can I take the mouse stuff? Where's the mouse stuff? Feature map tool library. Yeah. Delete ratio. Crikey. Minkowski F crawler? Is F crawler using ray tracing? I believe so. Not sure what to make of this. Well, okay. What happens if I try to rebase this? Probably it kills me instantly. Yeah. Oh, that's not bad. What is this new stuff? For each face vert. Okay, you what? Minkowski directed edge. We're gonna have to find that. Oh god. I refactored. Minkowski directed edge. Give me that crap. Model. Uh-oh. Okay. We want, so what's added here? Directed edge? So we want wherever directed edge is. Is it in model? For now. Okay, I actually don't know which one is. I think it's this one, right? I don't know, we'll see. Debug graphics vertex. Okay, so we probably want this one with debug graphics vertex. Okay. Get frame, so this just adds this crap onto that crap. So we want left, but with this. Okay. Oh yeah, nice, good, love it. Okay, let's just go here and use the stable thing. Oh. Indeed. Okay, I see. Wait. Let's rig it. Good.
Night and day, work or play, ever since you went away. I've been pining for you, baby. Let me fix what I broke and
640 by 480. It's just not real. Right, I was changing the resolution so that I could do things. We'll just not do that. What am I doing? So I added physics to graphics, but these are not there anymore. So we got common and physics. I don't believe in this tool. I just don't believe it's not gonna crash. It crashes every time. Okay, so I'm changing the signature. Change it again. I see. As ref. Hey, buddy. Just move to mesh query. I am not sure which comment that is referring to, but type annotations, indeed no such method. That's so true. So true. Did I add debug? I just don't know. Clone. Okay, so I should go do that. Bad. Mesh query, so. Change the signature again. But it makes sense. I'm like figuring it out. Yeah. Rebase. No. What did I do? Okay, I added mesh shaders. Oh my god, bruh. Unsafe. Enable experimental features. Mine got. Alright, let me go do that. So that's in graphics. Yay, graphics. Setup. Features, boom. And then the other line is EX. Wee. Take left. Save and stage. Stage. Boom. Nothing. Okay. Yeah. Debug graph. So what did I add? Nothing? Alright, so I believe this function doesn't exist there. Yeah, it's in setup. Const. System const. Nice. Surely. What?
You don't tell me where you've been. I can't ask a simple question without you thinking that I'm crying.
Debug models.
Checking on you, you say.
Texture color.
You say you're true.
I see.
I believe you, yeah.
Alright. Right. Okay.
Keeping secret, keep going. Keeping secret, keep going. Keeping secret, no secret.
Need this thing. Oh my god, this is gonna take a while.
Still can't understand your reasons for this privacy of late. Don't wanna read your diary.
Wait. Right. It's here.
We all cling to some keepsake. If there's nothing to hide, and you say you're true, I'll believe you, yeah. 'Cause if you're afraid, tell the truth, I'll believe you. Oh, girl, keeping secrets to yourself, keeping secrets, telling no one else. Keeping secrets, and I don't know why. Keeping secrets.
Rebase. I freaking did so much stuff. Drop resolution for lines. So yeah, it's like reverting this change, but I never did that change in the first place, so. Alright, so what's new? We got some stuff. Oh, bubby. Easy, okay. Was that a mistake? I think that was a big mistake. I think I just dropped all those changes. That sucks. I'm getting tired. This is just stupid and annoying. I just want the like ray tracing thing. You know what? I implemented it, okay? I'm just gonna try. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna abort. I can't be asked to do this. Okay, so this is something. Let me try to use it. Okay, so we've got our acceleration structure. We need to define functions to use it. Why is this like that? Yeah, traverse BVH. So self.bvh traverse BVH. Start point is point, believe it or not. Start time. We actually don't care what the metric is. Yeah, it just has to be ordered, so I'm gonna use distance. Oh, time limit. I might want to change that to a bound, range bound. Or oh. Well, let's go see. Range bound time limit, I see. Oh, haha. Okay, so now all I need is the traversal functions. This is cool. So, when I find a leaf, right. Right, so I have my point here. I'm just gonna stay, I guess. So let's write this. Why did it do that? Stop. So this takes and this takes calculate the distance to the AABB. So basically clamp point that clamp Oh. Wait. Lamp. Hey! That max. Come on, man. To the Vector 3 library, man. Please. Ooh. You good? Oh no, it doesn't know what it is. Jeez. Okay. Yeah, so I should be able to do like something like this. Min by key. Event. Something like that. This is where, well, okay, I actually have floats here. Just directly do it with floats. Ah, lovely. Indeed. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Right. Nice. That's what I like to see. F32 ord is not satisfied. Pain. Okay. I give up. Game. Really? What do you want? Why don't I have an IDE? Ah, I see. So I just have minus p length squared. Fry key. Okay. Oh, min. Okay. No, we actually. Oh. Oh. Map? Can we just do map? We don't even need to know which one. Min. Okay, so I believe this is okay. Is this real? Okay, I just don't have an ID right now. Okay, so clamp, right? Max the min and min the max. Type must be known as so crazy. Okay. It's this, and then it's literally just this. Like, it's just so irritating that it always says future. Expected to return. Ah, okay, I see. Optional. So it's possible for it to not intersect for the ray tracing, but not for this. Okay, insane stuff. So now, I love like Rust. This function signature is not friendly to people who can't read Rust, but it's precise to people who can read Rust after 20 minutes of reading it. Yeah, maybe it needs a little bit of documentation. Traverse the BVH using the given sampling functions. Nodes are tested in order of T returned by intersect ABB. The algorithm ends when the next node when T for the next node is greater than the current best collected T from intersect leaf. Yeah. So traverse the BVH using the giving sampling functions. Nodes are tested in order of T returned by intersect at ABB. The algorithm ends when T for the next node to test is greater than the current best collected T from intersect BB. Neat. Good document cool function. Why didn't I just write it like this in the first place? Like, I'm kind of dumb for not doing that, but it's an iterative process. Programming is a process. Oh my god, bro. I believe I actually fixed the ORD in between when I first wrote it. Okay. So these functions work by like referencing captured environment, which is neat. Neato burrito. Okay, so this may or may not return a leaf and the time of intersection. So we actually don't care at all. We can just take this and map. Leaf. Yeah, so we actually we now need to actually find it. It's now min by key. Yes. Min by key. Oh, that goes here. Min by key. Indeed, sir. So then this returns an optional reference. So we want kind of and then here. Ooh, okay, getting closer. So we grab one of these suckers. Map. Oh, you know, I can do this question mark it actually. That's probably easier or more comprehensible. Yeah, okay, so question mark this. Let don't care leaf is equal to this. And then let, I believe I want to enumerate this. Oh. Exist event is equal to this. Question mark, semicolon. And then now we have the time of the closest event, we need to look before and after by one event. Oh, we actually, so yeah, no, we need the index as well. Okay. I'm just gonna write a to-do actually. To-do. Project start point onto the edges connected to the closest event and return the true time. But for now we can just do physics time something something time from float F64. No, that is gonna work. Okay, so closest event dot time. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. What's up? Data moved here. Unlucky. Try again. I don't know what just happened for the past 2 hours, but there is now some code in front of me. Yeah. Where's the problem? It says there's a thing. I Z. Okay. You can just get rid of it. That's true. That's true. Noise. Okay. That is mega cool. I actually was able to refactor my, well, I assume that it works. Refactor my ray tracing algorithm to be a general BVH traversal algorithm, or at least general over the two cases of like growing sphere, and it's like bumping into the BVH nodes, breaking them open, testing the leaf nodes as it's growing until the next thing it bumps into when it grows is farther away than the closest thing that it's tested. Because like, what if you have a node and there's like stuff in it, but and you're like growing your sphere and it like bumps into the node, but all the stuff is over here that's actually inside of it. So it tested the node, but all the stuff is far away, and it keeps growing, and then there's actually something else, I guess, something else that's over here that's closer. So you have to grow until the next node that you test is farther than the actual contents that you've tested so far. And that works for both ray tracing and the growing sphere. It's the growing sphere! Length squared! This is awesome. Yes, sir! Yes, sir. Big up. Super big up. Okay, now what? Compare two bots. Why don't I just write this? Because, like, whatever, right? Discord. What's the API? I forgot. Yay! This is cool. This is cool. Arr, 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 arr. It does require a common update. Wait, this is actually a compatible common update because nothing actually uses this code. It's not actually compatible, but I don't want to update everything, so.
Sitting by the telephone, waiting for that special call.
Hey, we have to go back. We have to go back. It has to go back. So this is the time. The timer. Yeah, I have to invert the timer, which I don't like to do. But in this case, it's well defined. Oh, and unless it's paused? No, it can't be paused. Okay, so it's GG. Oh, I could totally have a fallible method for inverting the timer time. Not this time. Okay, so we smoke it. It's a physics time. But we want like playback time. Right. How do you get it? Let's see. Help. What is this? Okay, so this is bot time. I want inverse time. The other way. Timer dot freak. Who are you? Real time dot get offset. I can just minus that, right? So time minus coerce. Help. Oh, do I have to coerce both of them? Is it okay with that? No. Get offset. Oh, it's frickin' timer state. There you go, bud. It's a hack, but okay. Bot dot playback time. Playback music. What up? Right. We want playback time? Oh. Well, actually, you know what? I think it's okay to do this here, cuz this has the correct fingus. Oh jeez. What happened? Yes. Okay. And then I would do something. So let's see. BVH. So, hello, I am the bot. Hello, I am the map. Hello, I am the playback head. The BVH goes at the bottom, is the least important data structure. BVH. Indeed, sir. Ah. Feel like a Basically. Okay. Gimme. What did I call it? This dude? Closest time to point. It is actually optional. F64 Omega yes self dot oh. Oh. I don't have vector 3s. What if I say point is reference to F32.3? Are we chill with that? Didn't think so. What about slice? Okay. Really? Really? How do I do it from the thing? Into? Yeah. So can I just question mark into? Ah. Holy, okay. Now I just need to figure out point. Vector 3, like, it's chill to just use it. Frickin' JS Vector 3, bruh. Look.
You tried to hurt me like you hurt all the others before. Before I go to work, I
same. Oh, I'm dummy. There we go. Yeah. I believe this should be like this. Okay. I solemnly swear. Okay, so then we can say point is a reference to a vector 3. And then that's like that. And then that can be like that. Point. Yeah. And then we don't need this step. Ow. Yeah. Okay, so that's something. What is it complaining about now? Okay. Okay, do it, right? Do it. No. Oh, did I forget to, play, yeah, no. Okay, I have to, I forgot. Yeah. Okay, time. Physics time. F64, that's physics time. Yeah. Okay. Bot dot frick PB time. Oh wait. Game? Literally it's that, okay? Oh. Okay. Almost died. Okay. Anybody else trying to return vector 3s? Nobody is trying to return vector 3s. Alright, so you can smush it into an array and then deal with it if you want. Add the stuff. Just make it work. VV nice. Ew. Indeed. I don't know if I'm gonna need to update again. I didn't test the algorithm. Oh, haha, lol, I forgot. So, I mean, yeah, no, this is obvious. It's the position. Duh. Like, I could call this. I mean, these are angles. We don't need good angles. Right? Does 5-man use get angles? The singular library user? 5-man.
I know you care, don't you see, baby? You make me feel so good inside. I wanna celebrate every day that
Angles yaw delta. Easy. Get out of here. Oi.
Just you and me. We'll be together, baby.
Okay, so I have numbers. But I don't want to. I guess I could. I don't have multiple spots. I guess I could just use the same bot file and then try it. Okay, let's do that. It should say like 0 the whole time. Oh my god. Okay, so you go to WASM module, WASM pack, and get going. And then we also need to go to web demo and get going, Python, bing bong, player.js. So I need to add something to HTML. Class timer, like we're just absolutely whatever. Boom, boom. Okay, so we're looking for diff, velocity, and then diff time, and we just do not care. And then in the player bot 2 BVH world record BVH bot, and then oh wait, I don't need this. I can just use the same one. Okay, that's kind of neat. Okay, so where does it actually put the ding on the dong? HUD timer. Yeah. Okay, so and then const you let, is that real? Is that a real thing in JavaScript? Can you just say let a equals 1? Huh. Why would you, what? Okay. Pause equals playback get position situation bot elapsed situation vector 3 closest point bot pause. Okay. So then we do him in, yeah, dude. Kind of. Okay, so who did this? We've got 2 things, diff that, diff that. Dot text content equals diff velocity equals playback dot get speed. Bot time. Show diff. Const run speed equals this, and then WR speed is equal to I see. Okay. Indeed. Seek set head time. Indeed. How do you write things? A 1,000. Okay. Whatever. MS. Right. Something. Okay. Velocity equals bing bong, no padding. S. Okay. Diff is equal to run speed minus WR speed, and indeed mod 1 millispeed, and then whole speed. Floor. Yeah. Okay, and then the other one's gonna be like exact. No, it's not. Timer text. No, it's not. It's gonna be millibeans again. MS and S. And where? Yes. So WR time is time, yes. Time. S. Const. Time. Should I just call it tdiff? Is equal to run time minus. Is that time? Okay. Minus. S. MS. You good? Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. Probably it crashes. What? It didn't crash? Whoa! It's doing something. -2, -1. Okay. 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 Right. I don't know what it's doing there, but something is happening, which is surprising because I didn't test any of this code. We got no crashes. That's a Rust moment. Surely it's correct, right? What? Okay, so my formatting is wrong, but it's doing something. Hello. Well, I guess I'll like push it to the master branch, publish the crates. Have you seen this? Are you out of the loop? Alright, I should interpolate it properly. It's been quite a while. Well, I made a web player for Roblox bots in the past like 3 weeks or so. And it's on a real website that you can look at right now. Click. So I wrote the playback module. It has a file decoder. It's using the strafesnet format for map files. There is a lot of infrastructure to make that possible, but all of it is in place, such as keeping updating the strafes client map format files when someone publishes a map fix. That is done. This is good thing these maps are not stored in JSON. These are, yeah, there's no JSON except for the API, I believe uses JSON. Let's see a nice texture map. Texture. Andromeda has bugs, but it's kind of big. Yeah, it's good. I fixed a lot of missing texture bugs right after we got this going, because there was a lot of missing texture bugs. So everything in the strafesnet ecosystem improved when I wrote this. There's no streaming. It loads the full bot all at once. But it's not the biggest deal. Like, if we go to brick colors and the bot is an hour long, watch how long it takes to load. Whatever. It's like whatever. Because it's not Roblox. It's running in Rust. It's just not a problem when you're not using Roblox. This is actually lagging. I can see it stuttering. It shouldn't have anything that does traversal. Like there should be no computationally complex stuff going on. All the computational complexity should be like well managed. So I'm not sure why it's stuttering. But yeah, look. You can just seek anywhere instantly with low computation complexity. It's doing like binary search, of course. What the hell? I've never gotten to this level. No, I must have. Didn't I get to the end one time and I just was like, nah. I don't know. My memory is failing me. That would have taken me hours and hours. There's like a stage. I love how the like colors go and then goes. It's very cool. Is there physics? No. This is just Roblox bot playback. I ripped out all the physics. It's not Strafe Client. It's a bot player. There's also a native player. So like if we look at the dependencies here, you have sniff for reading the map files, bot file, graphics for rendering, common of course, and then this player, which is this library over here. So there's also no winit. I actually dropped the window making thing because you don't. It's just for web, right? I do have this native player as well. Oh, I also have a video encoder, which is using Vulkan video. I did that this week. I mean, it's pretty cool. I've done a lot of stuff here. Definitely check it out. I need to like fix the demo. I can't believe this just worked. I freaking mashed a new algorithm together, or I like shoehorned it into the old algorithm, but at the same time it is the same algorithm. Uh-oh. Oh, no, that's the same name. I mean, it works. I'll fix it if it doesn't work. If it turns out it's wrong. StrafeNet, Strafe Project, lib common, I believe. So I need to mint a new version of that. And I can get away with a minor version. Because nothing is actually using that function. Common 2.87 traverse UVH. Wait, it's literally called a BVH dot traverse. Like literally just call it dot traverse. Like good fellow. What if I don't have copy here? What happens? No. So I'm only using it for comparisons here. But it's just not a problem. Okay. All up. All right, so we're calling it Traverse. Indeed, indeed. All right, cargo publish. Hopefully I didn't make any mistakes. And then now I go over to the bot player and undo this stuff. And everybody is very happy. Okay, so then now I need to figure out negative numbers here. Modulo. I can just abs, right? Whatever. Surely. Let's try that. Uh-oh. Oh. Wait, do I have to... Why is it not working? Math is not defined. Oh. Alright. Okay, there we go. Okay. -2 something, 0 seconds. Oh, did I? I did. Oops. Okay, let's try that again. Diff time. Indeed. There we go. 0, 1. Let's add a S and a U per S. Oh, god damn. Okay, I see. I know what's going on. Okay, it's because it's floor. But we need to know if it's positive or negative. Via video codec. Sounds like fun. I need negative number. Negative number. Oh, actually, that's good. That's good. $. V diff less than 0. Can you question mark colon this stuff? minus colon plus. Lol. Okay. T-diff. Let's try that. All right, now we're talking. Okay, so something is up with the time. Did I forget to do get runtime? Get speed time all. Okay. Yes, I did. Okay, so I need to do this. So this is like playback time, and then set head time, get speed. No, WR time, playback WR, get run time, elapsed sec. Okay, that should work. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, that's what I like to see. Okay, so you can see that I need that interpolation. It's finding the closest point, no problem, which is nuts. I one-shotted that whole thing. Okay, so you can see it's like snapping to individual events. What I need to do is locate the precise time between events. It's because it's like snapping to the next one every time as it's moving. It's going like snap, snap, snap. So it rumbles a lot. We should be able to get this to 0, 0, 0, 0. I think we should be able to get it to just flat zeros. Because it's lerping. Okay, so that's the demo down. So here's the code. So we have a BVH. We're constructing a BVH from the bot. Didn't notice you have glasses now. Yes, I can now see with my eyes. So that's good. So I'm trying to be smart about constructing the BVH because the bot can go through a teleport. What it's doing is it's constructing a BVH over all of the points on the timeline, and the idea is to be able to spatially index the entire bot so that you can like find points fast. So it would be bad to have a node that crosses a discontinuity like a teleport. So I wrote this algorithm to slice it up into 16 samples events per axis aligned bounding box. So it makes a little box around 16 points at a time, and then it constructs the BVH, the bounding volume hierarchy of all of those bounding boxes. But it has this janky algorithm here. what I'm doing is I am identifying a discontinuity. So if the time between two adjacent events is the same, this is using the new Rust array windows thing. If the time is the same, but the position is not the same, then that means that it inserted two events at the same time, but at different positions, which means it's teleporting. Yeah. And then that's how it tells. So then for each teleport, push the slices up to that point. So what's this function? Push slices. So we start at index 0 and we're crafting a new slice here. So the difference between the indices is the length of the slice. The number of sub slices is according to max slice length. Cool. And then this should probably be called slice len. Each slice is then this many things. And then so it pushes count -1 slices. And then the last one might be shorter because it might not evenly divide. So yeah, it grows the AABB according to the position of each point. Approximately 16 at a time. It might be 15 if it's like weird about it. It can be down to 1 event in an AABB, but never 0. And I believe it still works with the BVH traversal algorithm. Anyways, it's splitting it up and spatially indexing it to be able to find points later. And now is that time later. Closest time to point. So this is the test point. We're trying to find the closest event to our test point. The bot is a line that goes through space, right? And we have a test point. We want to find over the entire line, where is the closest point? What's the best way to do that? A way that I came up with to do that is to use BVH traversal. So at our test point, I start growing a sphere, and the sphere hits the various bounding boxes. So the BVH, it has a base node that contains all nodes inside. And so probably it starts inside of that. So let's go to the definition of the function. It's complicated. I don't know why I always think that I can explain it simply. It's really quite a complicated algorithm. But I guess here's the description, right? So nodes are tested in order of t, and you define what t is. For ray tracing, it's time. Well, not really time. It's kind of like distance along the ray. And then for the growing sphere, it's like the radius of the sphere, basically. Squared, but like whatever. The order is the same. So it has to start at the start point. It has to like break open the BVH, dig down, and like find where that start point is inside the bounding volume hierarchy, and run all of the intersection tests for nodes that contain that starting point. It has to like this. So this is like setting up to continue the algorithm. Yeah. So it's like this is. Oh dear. Anyways, so this is like an ordered list of which nodes we're going to break open and look inside next. So like as the sphere grows, it's gonna, and these like bounding boxes are living in space somewhere, it's gonna be hitting those bounding boxes, right? In a particular order. And this contains the time of intersection, or like distance of intersection, and the node that was hit. So the algorithm pops a node off, checks to see if our best closest point so far is already closer than the next box we're gonna look inside. So if there's a box like over here, and we've already tested this one, and it's 3 units away from our, ouch. Oh my god, my bones, man, what the hell? If we've tested points already, and we know that there exists a point 3 units away, and the next BVH node that we're opening up to look inside and test things is like 20 units away, we're done. There's nothing else closer than the thing that we've already found. We've guaranteed it. And that's how the algorithm ends. So it's like breaking open boxes, and boxes may contain other boxes, or they might contain the points that we're trying to test. And it's like breaking open the boxes and looking inside procedurally, trying to do as little work as possible. That's the algorithm. That's how it's quickly finding the closest point over the global closest point. I do not do this in the bhop game. So yeah, here's the intersect leaf function. This is the leaf contents. So it iterates over those points. So it's like 16 points, right? It iterates over them and finds the distance of that point to the starting point. And so like finds the smallest distance within that leaf. And so the algorithm knows when to stop. I don't know if I need to get it exact. I think it does matter. If I want it to be exact, I would need to like go down to the segments between the points if I want it to be exact. If you had like a bot that covers the same point again, you would need to test. Yeah, you need to test that. But it's like an edge case and like makes it slower, and like we don't really care. So then what's the distance to an axis aligned bounding box? Well, you just clamp the point onto the surface and then find the distance between the clamped point and the original point. And that's it. Dot traverse. And it finds the closest leaf. And then I actually figure out which event within the leaf is the closest. And then I just return the time of that. But I should probably go between positions as well. But it's a little bit. Yeah. So this I think this is good computational complexity. You can't really do this in Lua and Roblox. It's data structures and algorithms. Like, you can technically implement it, but like it sucks a lot, and it's slow. I guess I should say what I'm doing here. Grow a sphere starting at start point until we find the closest point on the bot output events. Yeah. Holy moly. I think that's GG. It works. I don't want to write the projection. It's annoying. What? Wait. Oh, it's 10. Way past. I mean, I did it. I might do this later. Honestly, this is insane that this just worked. I really nailed it. I improved the BVH traversal to be general and implemented the entire algorithm, and it worked first try. That's like insane. I made 0 mistakes. Other than JavaScript, but I don't know JavaScript. I mean, I may as well merge it because it works. Add BVH. BVH demo. We're grooving. It should be the same. Okay, so delete get angles, add BVH. Neat. I like it. 1, 2, 3. Impressive. I like it. Test it one more time. Should I just? I don't know. I don't know. Translate this. Okay. It works.
Say you want me. That's not enough with you.
This is kind of goopy, but
When you can choose anybody, and you know they're gonna fall with you. Watching you and that look in your eyes has got them hypnotized. Now if you want me for your lover, then don't you do me this way. Have to give up all the others and love me every day. I know that don't sound good to you. No, no, can tell you think and eat it too. So check out your magazine, baby.
wow.
You can care for me if you want me for your lover. Then don't you do me this way. Got to give up all the others and love me every day.
Let's see how this works. Where does it mut itself? Oh, V equals. Okay, there you go. Nice. I see. I wonder what it'd look like as something else. Really, I could just iter over the output events and have the like last event there. Enumerate. Whatever, it works. Crazy. Okay. I'm gonna end the stream there. Great job. I did not expect to complete that today. That just like was so smooth development. The stuff that I wrote before just worked. And I just built on top of it, and I just didn't make any mistakes. Like, okay. I guess I didn't do any real programming today. Debugging and stuff. Just Rust magic, plus I'm pretty good at programming. Kind of a gamer. That's pretty cool. It's a little bit boring to not make any mistakes. I'm very used to making mistakes. Weird programming day. Well, yeah, Friday. I'll be back on Monday, and I wanted to do graphics today, but I didn't. It's a big job. It's a towering ask. But like in my head, I want to like try and make transparency. That's gonna be like just a huge project but the fun part. Shadows is kind of like a standard algorithmic trudge to like make it implemented. There's some interesting bits, like do you have like cascading sizes where like you have a 4000 by 4000 texture and then another 4000 by 4000 texture as you get closer to the player. There's options for how to implement it. And then the other thing would be ambient occlusion. I think that makes an enormous difference in making graphics look modern. And I don't know how to do that. I have never looked at ambient occlusion. And then if I want to work on it for 2 months, I can try to do like physically based rendering, normal maps and stuff. God, I just don't like, I don't really know what the ingredients are for making good graphics, and I intend to learn. I was not intending to do that this year though. I was sort of intending to do other things this year, namely leaderboard stuff, but like making the graphics better, I want to do that anyways, and it benefits the like bot player online right now, which is cool. So we'll see. It's really hard to get started. We'll see if I can get started on graphics next week. Also, I'm kind of in the middle of like launching a new game, which like, hold on. How many players are playing this new game? 70. As big as V-Hop. Whoa, it's a cash grab game. Let's go. Yeah. It was at 100 players earlier. We're at B-Hop size. You might be looking at a future millionaire. You never know. All right. That's the end of the stream. See you next week. Bye. Graphics.